usually do this, but cartoons. Can I sing to you? Yeah. Yours, mine, ours. I could do this for hours. Sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers and some champagne showers, or the shrimp and lobster towers. But it's me that gets devoured. Ooh, when you do what you do, I'm empowered. You give me a superpower. Together the world could be ours. You set me up on the counter, instantly it's thunder showers, storming for a couple hours. When we finish, take a shower. I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and usually don't like nobody, and when I say nobody, I mean nobody. All these niggas full of shit. You just the homie once they hit. Don't like giving up on love. These niggas almost made me quit. But then I met you. When I met you, I knew this is it. I've never been in love like this. A love like ours. I pray for it on my knees every night for some hours and hours and hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and hours and I could do this for hours and hours and hours. I could do this for hours and yours, mine, and ours. Oh, I could sit and talk to you for hours, sit and look at you for hours, making love to you for hours, laying on your chest for hours, telling you jokes for hours, holding you close for hours, and yeah.